Jesus got my words for the ones that never heard this. Open up the ears of the ones that need to learn this. My number one concern is we're living in a furnace. The less we try to change, the more it's gonna burn us.
Everybody, today I'm gonna make a vinyl rack. I got all this vinyl right there, and I need to hang it up because it's just kind of chilling on the floor. I'm gonna make it out of the 2x6. It's a 12-foot long 2x6. And these dowels, they're 1/2 inch, 3 feet long. I'm gonna cut these into thirds, so it'll be 1 foot each, and this will be 2 6-foot sections when I'm done. I'm gonna cut it up, and I'll get back to you. Okay, I found another piece of 2x6, so I went and added to it. So right now I got these just screwed together with a backer board on, and now I'm gonna paint it, and I will put dowels on tomorrow. Okay, I got it all painted up. I also painted that and that. Don't mind the spots that didn't get, you're not supposed to see that. But I cut all the dowels into 1 foot sections. I got, I don't know, probably about 30 of them. And once this paint dries, I'm gonna drill 1/2 inch holes all the way down it. And once I get that done, I'm gonna fill the holes with wood glue, put a dowel in each hole, and mount it up on the wall. But once the paint dries, I'll get back to the videoing. I had it screwed onto the wall, and by no means is it perfect. That middle board wanted to bow out for some reason, but it's fine with me because I can just line them up with each piece of wood, so it's not a real big deal to me. But now I'm gonna drill the 1/2 inch holes, put these dowels in, and try to space them out even enough for the rolls. All right, what I'm gonna do is take these dowels. As you can see, I got a couple holes already done on top. And I can get this wood glue open. There we go. I'm gonna just take some regular Titebond wood glue. I'm gonna just put a little bit on it, like that. And I'm gonna just do that to all the holes. Simple as that. And just like that, they're all up. They're not all straight, I know. The rolls are just made to sit on there. Right now I got them all in totes on the floor, and I don't like that. I got my little guy in here helping me. By helping me, he's watching Naruto. I'm gonna throw the rolls up and let you guys see what it looks like. I got it put up. I got some of my vinyl up. I still got all that in the tote, and I have all this in this tote, and I got my scraps in that tote. So I guess I gotta build something else for the big ones. These are for my 12 inches and my 24 inches. But yeah, that's what I did today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and have a great Sunday. Go Niners.
Jesus got my words for the ones that never heard this. Open up the ears of the ones that need to learn this. My number one concern is we're living in a furnace. The less we try to change, the more it's gonna burn us.